It's story time, it's story time. Shh, shh, shh. I look with my eyes, I listen with my ears. I'm ready, 1, 2, 3. I'm ready, 1, 2, 3.
Hello there. Look, farm animals. A chicken. Sheep. A horse. A pig. And moo. A cow. Can you see farm animals where you live? Today's story is called Farmyard Surprise. May, Moo, and Mike are going to a farm. I wonder what's going to happen. Here's the farm. Let's see the animals. Animals, Moo, just like you. Animals, woof. There are chickens. They lay eggs. Chickens, not like me. Look, Moo, there are sheep. They have woolly coats. Woolly coats? Meh, not like me. And there are horses, Moo, big and tall. No, not like me. Oh, Moo, look over here. There is a pig. Pig? Not like me. Moo! What's that sound? I don't know. Moo! It's a cow. Hello, cow. Moo! A cow? Just like me. Yes, Moo. A cow, just like you. That's how you got your name, you see? Moo! Woof, woof, moo! Goodbye. See you soon.